how to sign out of Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign out of Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to sign out of Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Facebook application here. And once you launch the Facebook app, let's just say that I'm logged into one of my accounts here, and if I'm logged in and if I would like to log out, what I need to do is I just need to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. If you are on iOS, this menu bar will be at the bottom, so you might want to be aware of that. Now once you're here, just scroll a further bit below, and at the very bottom, if you look, you'll find an option known as log out. So it's just going to be at the very bottom, so just tap on log out here. Tap on the logout option and you'll be successfully signed out of Facebook. Now if you want, you can sign into some other accounts if you prefer, and this way you will be able to sign out of Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.